And welcome to Miss Bailey's Daily Dose. Today we're going to be adding 2-digit numbers with crossing if you're in year 2 and 3-digit numbers with crossing if you're in year 3 using our base 10 again. So I've got a calculation here for year 2s, 36 add 27. Again, I'm going to be using the base 10 that we used in my other videos to represent both those numbers and then have a look at how we do the crossing. So for 36, I'm going to put my 10s and 1s on so I can see how many I need. So I need 3 10s going in here, and I need 6 1s, and again those 1s going in that 1s column. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Perfect. Then I'm adding 2 10s underneath, so 2 of those 10 pieces underneath, and 7 1s this time. So again, they go underneath. 4, 5, 6, 7. Now I'm adding the 1s first, and that's why we always add the 1s first, because you'll see that we'll need to regroup it in a minute. So I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So I've got 13 1s altogether. Now what I usually get my children to do is to write the number 13 down with the 10s and 1s on top, like that. So I can only put 1s in the 1s column. How many 1s do I have in 13? 3. Now, because I've got 13 1s, I've actually got 1 10. And that 1 10 cannot go in that 1s column. It has to go in the 10s column. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to regroup my 10 1s. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And I'm going to exchange these to the side for 1 10. Okay, and I'm going to put my 1 10 there. So now I can count the ones that I've got left after I've done that exchange. So I've got 1, 2, 3 all together. And then I count my 10s. I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I now have 6 10s. So the answer would be 63. And I can show you that there. So it's really important that the children understand if in the 1s column we have any 10s in it. So if there's 14 1s, 17 1s, 19 1s, those 10 1s have to be exchanged for a 10. They have to go into that 10 column. It's exactly the same with 3-digit numbers. So if I use this piece of paper and I split it into 3 of those sections, we have our hundreds, our 10s, and our 1s. It's the same with that. So if there's too many 1s, if there's too many 10s, then we have to go into that next section. So if I do a calculation like 128 add 219. Straight away I need to see how many hundreds, how many 10s, how many 1s. So I'm going to put that on my board. Apologise because my pen is running out a tiny bit. So I'm going to represent that first number, 128, with 100. So I've got my 100, I put in my hundreds column. I need 2 10s, so I get my 2 10 pieces, and I put those in my 10s column. I need 8 1s. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So I've represented 128. Now I need to add 219. So I need 200s this time. Here's my 200s. They can go underneath. I need 1 10 and I need 9 1s this time. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And again, I'm counting those 1s first. So I know I've got 9 in 219. I know I've got 9 1s. So then I can add on. So 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. So I've got 17 1s. Again, I'm writing that number 17 down and I'm putting my 10s and my 1s column on. And I'm thinking to myself, right, are there 17 1s in that column? Well, yes, there are, but can I keep 17 1s in there? No, I can't. I need to exchange. I know there are 7 1s in 17, so I need to exchange 10 of them. So again, I take away 10 of them. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. and I exchange them for this 110, and I put that 110 there. Now I can count my leftover ones. So I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 ones, and I would write down the number 7. I count my 10s, 1, 2, 3, 4. So I've got 4 10s now, and I've got 1, 2, 3 hundreds. So my answer is 347, and you can see that.